Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to find the perfect logo for your business on BrandCrowd's Logo Maker. BrandCrowd makes it easy because it already offers a good number of templates to choose from, but with so many, it can be overwhelming. Don't panic, I'm here to help. I'll teach you how to do a basic and advanced search for you to find the perfect logo. To do a basic search, simply type your business name on the search bar and select Create Logos. BrandCrowd Logo Maker tool will automatically look for keywords in your business name and display relevant results. To refine your search and get more accurate results, you can type a keyword that is more specific to what you're looking for. I suggest typing one keyword at a time for better results and select Create Logos. Notice how the first results display now include logos relevant to your keyword. To do an advanced search, click More, and you will notice three more options appear: Logo Styles, Font Style, and Color. For logo styles, you can choose between icon and text, which includes an icon as the main component of the logo, and text only, which doesn't include any icons. For font style, you can choose between traditional, bold, vintage, modern, funky, and handwritten. If you're not able to find logos with your preferred font style, don't worry. You will always be able to customize it yourself with our tool. For color, you can choose if there's any color in particular that you'd like the logo to include. If you're not able to find any logos with your preferred color, don't worry. Remember, you'll always have a chance to customize it yourself within the tool. Finding the perfect logo for your business can be easy now that you know how to use our basic and advanced search options. If you're interested in learning more about how you can use BrandCrowd's Logo Maker, send us an email to support@brandcrowd.com and our team is more than happy to help. Stay tuned for more tutorials very soon.